What if I told you that the most important car of 2025 isn't a supercar or some luxury SUV? It's the new Tesla Model 3, with a complete redesign, better range, smarter tech, and a price tag that might shock you. This EV could be the biggest game changer of the decade. Hey everyone, welcome back to Zero to Dream, where we turn car dreams into daily drivers. Today, we're diving deep into the brand new 2025 Tesla Model 3. Codenamed Highland. This isn't just a facelift. This is Tesla rewriting the rules of affordable EVs. Let's break it down. The Tesla Model 3 practically invented the electric compact sedan category, and it remains a highly appealing choice for EV shoppers. The recent Highland updates to the Model 3 addressed some of our biggest gripes with the car. Suspension improvements that smooth out the ride are appreciated, as are the nicer interior materials. What's new for 2025? Tesla has dropped the standard range model, previously the least expensive Model 3, from the lineup, pricing, and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Tesla Model 3 starts at $44,130 and goes up to $56,630, depending on the trim and options. Rear-wheel drive and a single electric motor are standard, but a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup is available. We'd recommend either the rear or all-wheel drive long-range models, which offer an estimated 363 and 346 miles of driving per charge, respectively. All Model 3s come standard with heated and ventilated front seats, navigation, and Tesla's Autopilot driver assist system. EV motor, power, and performance. As with most EVs, the Model 3 gains speed swiftly, smoothly, and almost silently, with the electric motor providing a strong punch from a stop, and it's quick, extremely so in some trims. Like all Teslas and most other EVs, the Model 3 carries its battery under the floor, resulting in a low center of gravity. This helps it change direction crisply and feel planted and stable in corners. The steering is accurate and well-weighted, with 3 different settings that adjust the level of effort. This model is the only Model 3 that comes with a sport-tuned suspension with adaptive dampers. The performance model's all-wheel drive powertrain pumps out a combined 510 horsepower, and Tesla has upgraded the brakes and installed a staggered set of wheels and tires. Range, charging, and battery life. 3 distinct Model 3 trims are offered, each with a different estimated driving range. The rear-wheel drive long-range model has an estimated range of 363 miles, while the all-wheel drive long-range model offers 346 miles of driving range. If you opt for the extra-cost 19-inch wheels, the estimated range numbers are lower. The Model 3. Performance sacrifices some of the range for more power, but its estimated range is still pretty good at 296 miles per charge. In our real-world 75-mile-per-hour highway range test, the rear-wheel drive Model 3 long range achieved a result of 310 miles, and the Model 3 Performance achieved 260 miles. The Model 3 offers several different options for charging. Tesla's network of fast charging stations called superchargers, adapters for DC public charging stations, 2 40 and 1 20-volt outlets, and a home charging station. Interior, comfort, and cargo. We're not exaggerating when we say that the Tesla Model 3 has an interior unlike any other non-Tesla car on the market today. It's shockingly simple inside, with nearly everything controlled by the monolithic touchscreen in the center of the dashboard. Buttons on the steering wheel control things like the exterior side view mirrors, the position of the steering column, and even the turn signals, and we wish those controls were of the conventional design instead. The Tesla's low, flat floor makes for a spacious and airy feel inside. The front seats are supportive and comfortable, but the rear seats are positioned low and are cramped and uncomfortable. Don't expect adults to be able to spend long periods of time in them. Folding the 60-40 split rear seats is simple and expands the trunk space considerably, providing enough room for 15 carry-on suitcases. There are also generously sized bins and cubbies throughout the cabin. Infotainment and connectivity. Navigation, Bluetooth, and USB connectivity are standard, but the Model 3 is, oddly, not available with AM radio or Sirius XM satellite radio. Several internet streaming radio options are standard. It also can't be equipped with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. To make charging station layovers more bearable, the Model 3 offers plenty of entertainment options on its central display, including Netflix, YouTube, and a host of arcade games. Mounted to the rear of the center console is an 8.0-inch touchscreen that provides rear seat passengers access to climate control and infotainment features. It is no longer the quirky tech car. It's a mature, refined electric sedan that's ready to dominate 2025 and beyond. Whether you're a first-time EV buyer or looking to upgrade, the new Model 3 deserves a serious spot on your radar. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button. Comment below, is the new Model 3 worth the hype, or are you waiting for the Cybertruck or a different EV? Hit that subscribe button for more deep dives, car comparisons, and dream builds. This is 02 Dream, and I'll see you on the next ride.